Welcome to Bazai, the nexus of next-gen tech insights. I'm Baz, and today we're diving deep into Claude 4 Opus, Anthropic's flagship AI model that's reshaping the landscape of agentic workflows for software engineers, data scientists, and systems architects alike. Is this the universal AI assistant that bridges cognitive reasoning with hands-on execution? We'll dissect its architecture, benchmark performance, and real-world use cases with surgical precision. No hype, just hardcore substance. If technical depth is your thing, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's unpack the future of AI automation. Claude 4 Opus, billed as Anthropic's most capable hybrid model, marks a major leap in agentic AI. It's engineered to manage complex workflows by weaving together semantic reasoning, tool-augmented execution, and persistent memory across long contexts. Unlike conventional LLMs focused solely on text generation, Claude 4 Opus thrives in the open agentic web ecosystem, echoing Microsoft CTO Kevin Scott's vision, enabling autonomous interaction with external systems via standard protocols like REST and OAuth. Its architecture features input processing layer accepts multimodal inputs, including text, code, and API payloads, within a 128K token context window. Transformer core uses sophisticated attention mechanisms for deep semantic reasoning, scoring 72.5% on SWE-bench verified and 43.2% on terminal bench. Tool orchestration module connects with over 3,000 apps via Zapier, supporting full read/write operations across platforms like Gmail, Google Sheets, and more. Memory persistence layer maintains state across long workflows using JSON-based memory files. Output synthesis layer produces actionable results from code patches to automated emails and can directly trigger external APIs. Its extended thinking beta introduces iterative reasoning combined with tool usage, fine-tuned by a reinforcement learning control loop. The result? A 65% reduction in shortcut behaviors versus Claude Sonnet 3.7 and impressive endurance across multi-hour tasks. Use cases in the wild. Semantic email parsing. Claude's NLP stack, featuring tokenization, dependency parsing, and intent classification, delivers near-human context recognition. In practice, this means transforming a cluttered inbox into a clear, prioritized task list. Data pipeline orchestration. Working with messy, unstructured sources, Claude generated 6 structured datasets, e.g., AI revenue trends, clean energy mineral needs. Still, retrieval depth showed limitations, highlighting a need for better ranking algorithms in future iterations. Security audits in code bases. Claude scored 79.4% on SWE-bench under compute-intensive scenarios. It executed static analysis, AST-based vulnerability, scans across multiple languages, Python, JS. Dynamic analysis, simulated API attacks in sandbox conditions. Remediation, auto-generated and validated patches through regression tests. Partners like Cursor and Replit confirm its code navigation capabilities, cutting navigation errors to near zero and outpacing traditional inters. Platformer game development. Using the Claude Code SDK and likely Phaser.js, Claude developed a full platformer game with game loop management via request animation frame, arcade physics integration, state persistence using JSON, mirroring mechanics from games like Pokemon, generative ideation for newsletters. Given a prompt to generate newsletter themes, Claude, with a GPQA Diamond score of 74.9%, used topic modeling, probably LDA, and real-time web signals to suggest themes like AI-driven CI/CD optimization. While output details depend on user context, the relevance remains high. Final thoughts. Claude's memory layer is key to its sustained task performance, storing JSON-based state across sessions. This reduces exploitative shortcuts and boosts reliability in mission-critical scenarios. Developers can tap into the Claude Code SDK for IDE integrations, VS Code, JetBrains, and CI/CD tools, GitHub Actions, turning Claude into a force multiplier. Benchmarks. MMLU, 87.4% general knowledge. MMU, 73.7% multimodal tasks. AIM, 33.9% math reasoning. Caveats. High operational costs, $15/$75 per million tokens, and gaps in RAG completeness. Still, its deployment across Anthropic API Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud Vertex AI makes it highly accessible for both enterprise and indie devs. Claude 4 Opus isn't just another LLM, it's a paradigm shift. From parsing emails to building games, it's changing how we code, automate, and think. Want more no-fluff deep dives? Smash subscribe, enable notifications, and become part of the Baz AI community. Drop a comment. How would you deploy Claude 4 Opus in your DevOps stack? Let's architect the future together. Catch you in the next video.